Although your 4-stroke outboard engine has much in common with an automobile engine, there are also significant differences. Differences that affect the way you check its oil level. An outboard motor literally stands a typical car engine's configuration on end, with a vertical crankshaft and horizontal cylinders. That means oil can pool behind the horizontal pistons and in a variety of casting surfaces inside the block after the engine is shut down, rather than draining into the crankcase like your car's engine. Also, outboard motor operation is usually much different from most cars. It is common to expect extended high RPM operation at a set throttle position. These factors mean that it is normal to see some oil consumption with a 4-stroke outboard. There is, however, no specification for how much oil consumption is normal, so proper oil level checking at regular intervals is extremely important. And fortunately, it's not difficult to do. In this example, we will be checking the oil level on a F150 TXR. Before checking the engine oil level, tilt the engine up to at least half of its total tilt range. Tilting the engine like this prior to checking the oil level is the only way you can be sure you get a true measure of the oil level. Let the engine sit tilted up like this for at least 5 minutes. Now, trim the engine down until it is level and proceed to check the oil. Remove the dipstick and wipe it off with a clean, dry towel. Reinsert the dipstick all the way. Remove it again and inspect the oil level on the dipstick. Dipsticks have markings to indicate the low and high levels. In this example, the dipstick has a checkered area indicating these low and high oil levels. If the oil level is located anywhere on the checkered area of this dipstick, it means the engine has enough oil. It is not necessary to add oil to bring it up to the upper level. Please note that there are different styles of dipstick. Some have this checkered area, and others have drilled check holes indicating low and high. Regardless of the style of dipstick, your outboard's oil level needs to be between the low and high indicators on the dipstick. If the oil level is below the L or low level, add some oil. If the oil level is above the H or high level, you'll need to drain or evacuate some oil. For steps on adding or removing oil from your outboard, consult your owner's manual or contact your local authorized Yamaha dealer.